Welcome. Thank you for visiting. If you enjoy our content and want to stay updated with the latest tips, ideas, and inspiration, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and turn on notifications. Join our community and be part of the journey. Thank you. Today, we're diving into innovative furniture organization ideas that can transform your space into a stylish and functional haven. Whether you have a small apartment or a spacious home, clever storage solutions are essential. We'll explore how to maximize your furniture's potential, combining practicality with aesthetic appeal. From multi-purpose pieces to hidden compartments, these ideas will help you declutter while enhancing your decor. Get ready to discover creative ways to keep your home tidy without sacrificing style, making your daily living more comfortable and visually appealing. First up, consider investing in multifunctional furniture pieces like ottomans with storage, beds with built-in drawers, or coffee tables with hidden compartments. These allow you to store away essentials discreetly, reducing clutter and freeing up space. Such furniture not only serves its primary purpose but also adds a layer of sophistication to your decor. Choose pieces that match your overall style, whether modern, rustic, or minimalist. By doing so, you create a seamless look that is both practical and beautiful, making your home feel more organized and inviting every day. Next, let's talk about vertical storage solutions. Walls are often underutilized space, so installing floating shelves or wall-mounted cabinets can help you organize books, decor, or everyday items. This approach keeps your surfaces clear and creates a clean, airy feel. Additionally, decorative baskets and stylish bins placed on shelves or under tables can store miscellaneous items neatly. Incorporating these elements into your decor adds personality and keeps everything within reach. Remember, combining function with style is the key to a well-organized, attractive home. Another fantastic idea is to customize your furniture to suit your specific needs. For example, repurpose old cabinets or dressers by repainting or adding new hardware to match your decor theme. You can also create DIY storage solutions like hanging organizers or fabric-lined drawers. Customization allows you to personalize your space while making the most of your existing furniture. Plus, it's an eco-friendly option that saves money. By thinking outside the box, you turn ordinary furniture into statement pieces that enhance your home's style and organization. In addition to storage, lighting plays a significant role in highlighting your furniture and creating a cozy atmosphere. Incorporate stylish lamps, LED strips, or decorative lighting fixtures to illuminate your organization zones. Well-lit spaces not only look inviting but also make it easier to find items quickly. Pairing lighting with your furniture pieces can also add a touch of elegance. For example, placing a table lamp on a sideboard with decorative storage baskets can elevate the overall aesthetic. Thoughtful lighting enhances both function and style in your organized home. Thank you so much for watching and supporting us. Your support means everything. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell. Join our community and be part of our exciting journey. Thanks again.